Hello and welcome back to another Chinese snack tasting test thing.
所以今天我们要尝试新的中国的食物，小吃。我们今天有沙琪玛，有好丽友，还有小浣熊干脆面，还有我也不知道这是什么伞饼，但是在中国的超市经常可以看到，对吧？What is this？江米条，但在这边我们买到的它叫雪花条，所以我们今天要尝这么多什么吃。
Okay, so I'm going to let you pick one. Got a lot to do today, as you saw.
对啊，然后想想，先吃哪个呢 ？Which one you want to try?
They're all looking unlike the previous ones where there was like one or two that I was a little nervous about. These are all looking kind of nice, so it's hard to do. What about these ones? Because there's no, unlike the others where you can see there's a picture on the thing. These are a mystery. These are a mystery. It does not say. Yeah, there's a brief uni noodle snack roast chicken wing. This can go either direction.
我们这个呢是小浣熊干脆面，大家应该很熟，对不对？小的时候，我不知道你们的年代，但在我的小的时候，我会经常吃这个。When I was little, this is my daily snacks. 所以 I love it. I really, really love it. Okay. Want to try?
Okay. I just have to point out, with the stripe, would you say it's a raccoon or what?
Raccoon.
Raccoon. I love the little raccoon with the rocket pack. Look at that.
小浣熊。
Looks like something off of.
小浣熊。
Reminds me of a Super Mario power-up when you get the little raccoon ears and the tail and you'll spin around.
Oh, before you eat, I will tell you how to eat it. Like normally with, smash it into.
Really?
Yeah. 这是我们吃干脆面的方法，对不对？ Someone says nice. Okay, then you can open it. 好期待。
Oh, that's a tough one. There we go.
And hold a second. There's another step. We get the
There are stages to eat in this one.
what's your called? Seasoning, stuff. Like
yeah.
pepper, salt. They're kind of like mixed. So we just.
It's literally just dried instant noodles.
这边有很多好玩的地方啊，我们到时候会推荐给大家。首先
Try a bear bit.
Yeah, with all seasoning.
Yeah, just going to
Okay.
take a little bite off this.
Sure.
Because it already smells like it's got a flavour to it. It does already have a flavour. Very mild.
他说吃这个的时候，如果没有加调料包，已经有味道了。但是我相信，如果把这个加进去，味道会更好。So if we just add this, then it will be more tasteful. 点赞哦，大家喜欢点赞哦。 try it. I haven't tried this for years.
The flavour is now very, very strong.
Because it has pepper.
I'm not a big fan of pepper. Okay. So a roast chicken wing. Let's try.
I love it. I can eat a whole packet. What 80后?
I think I preferred that before you added.
哇！他居然喜欢不要加调料包呢。I love it。大家可以看一下，加过调料包了。I like it.
It's made it hot and spicy and peppery, so while nothing on the scale of them chili or pepper challenges you see on YouTube, it's for me who seems to be quite sensitive to that kind of thing, it's still quite hot, and I'm not really into that kind of foods myself. If you like that sort of thing, you might like them as I did before adding the little package he just used there. But however, if you're into that sort of thing, by all means try them. I mean, the flavour's nice. It just the hot.
Because the pepper. So after we adding the pepper, like seasoning, and then the flavor just a little more spicy, I think the original flavor is still there.
Yeah.
I want to try a little more.
It makes me want to drink immediately afterwards, as you know, it's hot.
I like it. 我非常喜欢吃。Okay. What's next?
Well, I am very curious about these fellas. ZP brand sweet finger shape cracker.
Oh, 谢谢点亮的宝宝们。
From this distance, they kind of look like what's it, but if I come in closer, they're not. They look. Is that sugar or salt?
Sugar.
Oh, that's. Oh. So, and there's a lovely little Chinese couple on the top there. Not quite sure what they're doing, cooking. Maybe you can tell us about these.
Okay. 所以这个呢，在我不知道南方城市有没有，在北方会很常见，我们叫江米条。现在这个我上面看到它在写的是雪花条，江米条也是我小时候，包括现在老一点的，就是比如说叔叔啊、爸爸啊之类的年纪的人，还是很喜欢吃江米条的。他没有尝过，所以我们来看一下他是否会喜欢。Let me open it.
Oh, okay. So you just opened straight away for. I can't place that smell. It's almost smellless.
This is my dad's favorite snack. He loves it. My dad loves it.
Which,
我爸喜欢。
if you watch our shows, we've got some English snacks coming up, which will involve my dad's favourite. So this is what it. Where's my camera? There we go. Gonna get a good look in there. Very strange looking. Where's the camera on that? There we go. Using two cameras. Very unusual. Not bad. Not bad in a bad way. It's just
小米条. It's made of rice, so that's we call like a rice cracker, or and also they just use the
Like it.
sugar covered and then fried.
really nice.
这是江米条。他还挺喜欢吃的。Oh, we didn't. Sorry, I forgot. Did you rate this?
Oh, I didn't rate. Okay. Before the flavouring, I'd say these were... Oh, difficult one. I'd say they're just above average. They were a 6. The flavour was there, but very mild. Very... With the flavouring added, it's difficult because the flavouring is there. It's much more stronger, but it's got that heat thing which I do not much care for. So that's a really difficult. That might have... I'm not sure if it will keep it where it is or even knock it down a bit, because it's this is a difficult one.
Give us a number.
Okay.
1 to 10.
Well, I'll knock it down 1 to a 5 then, an average then.
So 5.
Yeah, the taste is good, but I don't like the heat that comes with it. I'm a bit sensitive to that sort of thing. I don't mind it like for now. Sorry.
Someone give us star.
Oh.
Thank you.
I don't mind it like to try a couple for now, but I don't think I can eat a packet of them, as a snack. I'm hungry. Especially not without some cold water with me then.
所以它呢，在这个上边，它这个只给了5分。如果我给的话，我会给7分。我还是蛮喜欢吃的。About this one.
These much better. These are definitely.
谢谢天仓。
She keeps interrupting me. These are definitely possibly a 9, 8 or a 9.
他非常喜欢吃江米条，他给了9分。他给了9分呢。谢谢天才的棒棒糖，我很喜欢吃棒棒糖哦。Someone gave us lollipops.
Oh, lollipops.
Thank you.
For our YouTube audience, that's the second camera, which is doing it live on her Chinese site. So people are interacting. That's why she's speaking a lot of Chinese. Interacting with her as she's doing that. Whereas I'm mostly concentrating on the YouTube.
Okay. The next one.
They are nice. In fact, I will finish those.
I just like my dad.
Your dad has good taste.
Which one?
Let's go for the wagon wheels.
Okay.
Because that one, I think I know how that's going to taste.
这个呢，我们叫做好丽友，对吧？我们很多人都吃过好丽友 ，so in China we call it 好丽友。
Halio.
Yeah, but same stuff. I don't know why they don't have Chinese translation, but
Yeah, this is Chinese, but it doesn't have a Chinese translation on it. Now this, I'm using the term Chinese loosely because these are almost identical to, I think they were called wagon wheels here in the UK anyway. I'm not sure if they were available anywhere else under that name or a different name, but I think I know how these are going to taste, and I did like them. Chocolate over some like wafery biscuity type things with a sort of marshmallowy creamy middle there. So
所以这个呢，好丽友，里边呢，我不知道它是什么做的，软软的啊，就跟橡皮一样。然后外边是用巧克力包裹的这种饼，小朋友们都非常喜欢吃。You want to try it?
yep. Oh, these are a lot smaller than our ones. These are a lot smaller.
他说比
They come in
这
these
边
little
英国
baggies.
的要小很多。我们来尝一下，这个我也是很多年没有吃过了，起码得有5、6年吧，没有吃过这种东西。好丽友，你尝一下。
Okay, as you can imagine, the chocolate smells gorgeous.
而且一样的味道。
Get some on my mouth.
You see?
Yeah, do they call it?
谢谢高冷，谢谢四季很乖。
I didn't say, but what I thought was the wafery, biscuity substance is a lot different on this. It's more cakey. It's not as hard or crunchy as a biscuit. It's more softer but nice. I like them both. The one I'm used to here, the wagon wheel, unless they have changed it is more like this. It's been years since I had one. But this is nice. This is nice.
所以他刚才说了，这个东西它在英国也有叫 Wagon and Wheels，然后它们的不同之处就是，咱们的好丽友呢是软软的，对吧？就像蛋糕一样，就像刚才说一样，他说吃起来就像吃蛋糕一样。我们的呢是蛋糕，那它的呢就是饼干，就是用2块饼干夹起来的。Do you like it？ 他很喜欢
Try
吃。
and show you. Well, try and show you without dropping too much of it on my laptop. Drop some like that. I will say, you will make a mess. Well, I've got it over my lips and I've dropped a lot of it in my lap. But worth it. They're nice.
Okay. How do you rate it?
Oh, yeah. These get about an 8 as well. These are.
About 8.
These get a thumbs up.
OK， 可是他说这个给9分，给8分。哦，确实是吃的时候掉的哪儿都是渣渣。
Got some of it in your lap, did you?
Yeah. Everywhere.
You will make a mess while eating them.
对呀。
In fact, I've just lost a bit in my crotch. There we go. I'm not going to eat that.
Okay, next one.
Okay. We have just 2 more left. Okay, let's go for this one. Umbrella cookies. Taiwan dessert. Taiwan, very... You tried explaining that to me once. It's China, but it's not China. Don't you consider it China?
It is China.
Yeah.
Understand. It's China. But this is a more like north of China snack, you know. So you can easily find it in the supermarket.
Up by Beijing.
Beijing or my hometown, you know, it's very easy to find it.
She's Taiwan, not Taiwan.
Yeah. Hi, Nana. Someone. Hello.
Ni hao.
So, okay. You try it?
Okay. So what are these made out of? What are these? The flavouring?
It's made of flour, salt, you know, and then like, oh, here.
Wheat flour, sugar.
I can't wait to try it.
Oh, these smell like a bag of crisps. I'm just trying to remember the flavour.
早上的时候也特别什么，好吃。
Got these. I don't know how well that's picking up. They've got this cute little twirl on them. These little flat.
仍然非常的好吃，仍然非常好吃。Can you close the window?
Excuse me. Not